after that, we're going to a monster truck rally.
Monster truck!
Woo!
Woo! Woo!
Yeah. This is my favorite store we're going to. We're going to get jacked up. So before we go to the monster truck rally, we're going to Wild Birds Unlimited.
Wild Bird Unlimited.
I don't know. I see it all the time. I think it's like a bird seed and maybe, you know what?
We're here.
I bet they have, that's epic right there. That's where we're going.
Ooh, it's supposed to be a really good coffee shop.
It's probably one of the top rated coffee shops in the Dayton area. Excellent coffee, obviously. They have like ice cream and stuff like that. And then one of the weirdest and coolest floors I've ever seen in my life. So you'll have to check out this floor and let me know what it's made out of.
Get a little shot.
She's got to check out some of the cool stuff. I'm gonna do like a pan and show you the table and some of the backdrops here. Pretty freaking cool, and like when you sit down, like it's a full service coffee shop. You take your ticket, you put it on this thing right here.
Oh, do you really?
And then they actually like bring your food to you, so it's pretty neat.
Oh my gosh, did you get this light? Look, the light has coffee beans in it. It's amazing.
So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, chug our coffees real quick, and then it's monster truck time. Took home the cake. That was insane. Woo!
Monster trucks!
Monster trucks!
So we just got back.
Holy sh! My ears are ringing like crazy right now.
We just had like a very random day.
Oh, what a day.
The beginning of our vlog was actually like we intended to go to the coffee shop. We were gonna vlog all day. We were gonna have like a date night and vlog it. But then we just got a out of the blue phone call from his friend Nolan.
Riding in the car. We're riding in the car and he goes, "Hey, what are you doing today?" And I'm like, we're heading to get coffee and we're gonna, you know, edit some film." And he goes, "You waiting for fucking monster truck?"
Literally how that conversation went. And we were just like, yeah, let's talk about it and we'll call you back. And then we were just like, why not?
Oh my. This is the conclusion to our badass random date to get us out of our normality zone. So, pumped up now. Yeah, look at this. Wow.
So this girl, her name was Kayla, so I just bought her shirt. That's that story. I know nothing about monster trucks, but that was a blast.
I don't even know what Monster Jam is, but I'm going to rock this shirt in every video for the next 3 months.